I'm just vlogging with my mother's van. I got new clips like these, put it underneath of here on the side. She has a nice this thing is a nice engine. Want to take this plastic off and expose the engine bay. It's like, what the heck you need the plastic for? It's not convenient. Were you guys going to church something? Like?
No. Fitness.
Oh, Pet Fitness is open. Sheesh. And so what's going on now? I have this issue. I was going to get the oil changed, but then my dad thinks I stripped out the threads. Checking the battery light. Can't start her out unless I read through the threads on that block. I was just adjusting the steering. I got my pinky in the way. Sorry about that. So, what I'm doing now is having issues is this. Tell me if this thing's... Yeah, it's a low quality camera. Let's see. See guys, I don't know if I see it, but you guys can. I'll see it later on the video of the playback.